Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to create a spiral pattern plot. So let's start this. So firstly, we'll import the required libraries. So here, NumPy is used for numerical operations like creating arrays and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting the graph. So now we'll define the spiral parameters. So for that, we'll write So here np.linspace, this creates 500 evenly spaced values. And now this defines radius values theta that represent the angle in radians ranging from 0 to 4 pi in full turns, and r represent the radius increasing from 0 to 10. So now we'll create the Cartesian coordinates to the plot. So the spiral is defined in polar coordinates r and theta, but matplotlib uses Cartesian coordinate x and y, where we use the parametric equation where x is equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta. This ensures that as r increases, the curve moves outward, forming a spiral. So now we'll plot the spiral. This creates a square figure which is 6 into 6 inches. So this plots the spiral in blue with a thicker line. And now we'll provide a suitable title to the plot. So this adds a suitable title to the plot. This ensures a equal scaling on both axes to maintain the circular shape, and at last we'll display the plot. So now we can check this. Hence we can see a spiral pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.